Are you argumentative? Are you a fantastic debater? Are you the type of person who likes to argue with everybody because you feel you're winning them to your way of thinking? Well, guess what? You're not. All you're doing is creating problems and enemies. No one wants to be argued with. We can't win an argument. All we do is force people to push back, or they go into retreat. They withdraw. We think we're winning, we're not winning. We've got to find ways of having differences in business, having different possibilities around projects, and do it in a way that is not argumentative. Don't play the man, play the ball, we say in sports. Same thing. Don't play the person and argue with them so you can win, but actually you lose. We can agree to disagree, that's fine. We can have alternatives, that's fine. But don't think by arguing your way forward, you're going to be the winner. You won't. You create an enemy, or they become passive, no motivation, no engagement. Find other ways of having differences of opinion without them deteriorating into argument.